Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are gonna be doing a longer, which one is the longest? No, I just lost the cat to this one, so it sucks. But can you spin this one when I say go? Actually, can you hit the timer when I say go? When I say go. Go. So I'll show you the timer. Can't really read it. So
you can read it. It says stop.
It's upside down. Don't touch him. It's at 19 seconds.
For Brez.
For
Brez yourself. Go for Brez yourself.
You want some Febreze?
Go for Brez yourself.
I kind of spray Febreze, so I'm just gonna.
Go for Brez yourself. Oh, one's really slow.
Okay, this one's slowing down. So once that stops, that's a lap. That's one lap.
This is a loser.
That one can go for 2 minutes and some seconds because I've done it.
This is the loser. That's the second loser.
So loser.
Longest.
This is my longest figure.
Something makes me say this is the longest
Lap.
Dang, this one.
Okay, it's still going. I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so I'll turn the thing on. So
What? Wait, look at the TV.
hold on. Come on. Boom. So 3 minutes, 5 seconds, and 45 milliseconds. That's pretty long. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you next video.